Hi everybody, it's Irene at Lifestyle Over 60. Today we're going to be unlocking style secrets that turn plain outfits fabulous. And stick around to the end because I'm going to take a very plain outfit and make it fabulous for you in real time so you can see the process coming up. Belt it. If you throw a belt on, it elevates any look. It can be a contrasting color or it can be one that blends in with your outfit. But even if you're overweight, you think, well, I shouldn't wear a belt, but it can make all the difference and make your outfit pull together and look like there was intention behind it. Add jewels. Jewelry will elevate every outfit. Imagine all of these outfits I'm showing you without the jewelry. They're just kind of plain. But the jewelry really elevates everything you put on. You can wear a really plain outfit and throw on fabulous jewelry, and all of a sudden you're fabulous. Add a scarf. Scarves can be tricky to style. I have a whole video on how to do that. I will link it below. Anyway, throw a scarf on. It's cold out right now. It's heading to winter. Warms you up, and look how cool it looks. Really cool. Throw on a hat. If you want to turn heads, keep your head warm and look fantastic. The hat will take you far. Imagine this without the hat. All these women look great, but the hat adds so much. And it keeps your head warm. It's cold out right now. Wear contrasting colors. Pink and orange is always an interesting choice. Chartreuse and yellow, interesting choice. Bright colors can look great, but you don't have to do bright colors. Anything contrasting, black and white, is a great way to go. Sometimes contrasting can clash and not look fabulous, but look at this. Fantastic, right? This too, black and pink. This is a little iffy, but go for it. Try things out, play. Have a signature style, like Diane Keaton. She made everything look like it was hers. She belted everything. Anna Wintour with the bob and the sunglasses, that is her signature style. Rachel Zoe, she wears long dresses and has a boho vibe. That's her signature. Look at Pink. Now imagine Pink with long hair, right? Her hair is her signature style piece. Do you have one? Iris Apfel, the glasses and the hair were her signature. Show off your body. If you feel comfortable and you like your body, show it off. The shoulders tend to be good even as we get older, and sometimes the legs too. So don't be afraid if you like your shape to wear bodycon things and things that show the body. Okay everybody, here we are with my plain outfit. So it's just this black skirt from Amazon, really plain, simple skirt, a black turtleneck, very fitted, plain. That's it, and I have knee-high boots on with it. Okay, so that's our base, very basic, nothing special, all black, black. So I'm gonna make this fabulous. I'm gonna show you how to amp it up. All right, first we're gonna do a belt. I got this belt from Amazon as well, and it's just a very simple, stretchy black belt, right? Okay, but you can already see that it adds to the outfit, don't you think? It's just a belt, it's no big deal. And I'm very hippie right now. I've gained 5 pounds. I'm not happy about. But anyway, just to give you the idea. Okay, so the belt, and now we're already amping up. Okay, let's add jewelry and see what happens when we do that. All right, we're gonna add this really pretty multi-strand necklace I've had for many years. All right, so, okay, now we've added this fabulous necklace, which is hampered by the microphone just a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna add a bracelet. I'm cheating because I already had it on. We're gonna put the bracelet over the sleeve so that you see the bracelet. Not so easy to do. Okay, but you want to see the bracelet, and you know, with long sleeve things, you think, oh, I shouldn't wear a bracelet. Yeah, you can. You can do like a whole stack of bracelets if you have long sleeves, if you want. You know, that's a whole look. All right, so we got bracelet. We have necklace. We need earrings. We need earrings, and in this case, these earrings go with the bracelet. There's actually a set that my aunt left me when she passed. Okay, so we're doing, and these are clip earrings. I have pierced ears, but she didn't, and so these are clip earrings. So we're gonna put on the clip earrings. Okay. Okay, so now we have bracelet, we have necklace, we have belt, we have earrings, but we're not done. We're gonna add a hat. Okay, so now we have added the beret, and I really think if you have a nice hat that goes with your things, that makes a huge difference. You know, not too many people wear hats anymore, but I really think style-wise that if you want to turn heads, throw them in a hat. Okay, it's cold, we're going someplace, we're going out, we need a coat, hold on. And if you do not have a fabulous coat, you need one fabulous coat in your wardrobe. If you know, for me, I'm in Los Angeles, so I don't have a lot of need for a heavy coat. However, when the time comes that I need one, this is my fabulous coat. What I love about this coat is that it comes in at the waist, and it's got this fantastic faux fur collar, and it's just so comfy and cute. Okay, if I really wanted to be dramatic, I might belt this, but what I don't understand with belting coats, you know, I showed you a lot of those in the beginning of the video. What do you do when you want to take the coat off? You go out to dinner or you're somewhere at a party and it's warm inside. You want to take off the coat, you got to take the belt too. So I guess you just make a pile with your stuff wherever you are. But anyway, so I'm ready to go. I would grab a black clutch, maybe even a red purse. You know, you can do color with black. And there you have it. So this is from a plain black turtleneck and a black skirt. You have an outfit. All right, well, that's it for this video. I hope you got something out of it. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. I post regularly. And let me know in the comments, are you a stylish person? What did you think? Do you use any of these tricks? Tell us, let's talk. And come and see me again really soon.